Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to send Visualforce page content as PDF using trigger. Whenever we wanted to send a PDF file with the content as Visualforce page via trigger, then this transaction has to occur asynchronously because in trigger context we cannot use get content as PDF method. This is not allowed when we use it in a trigger. So in order to do this asynchronously, I am going to use queuable interface. In my trigger, I am calling my email notification with PDF queuable class whenever the account records are updated. So here email notification with PDF is my queuable interface. Email notification with PDF is my queuable interface because it implements queuable and also it implements database.allows callouts. I'm using database.allows callouts because messaging.send email is considered as a callout. So in order to avoid hitting exception, I have set database.allows callouts. I have list of account variable and I have a constructor where the accounts passed via the constructor are assigned to this list accounts variable. Next, in queuable interface, we have to declare a method execute. The content inside this method will be executed whenever the job is enqueued. So in my trigger, I'm using system.enqueue job of new email notification with PDF of trigger.new. So whenever the account records are updated, those account records will be passed into this constructor and the constructor will assign the values to list accounts variable. Here, in order to attach an attachment, I'm using messaging dot email file attachment. For that, I'm setting the content type as application or PDF. File name, and I'm setting it as sample.pdf. Next, I'm using page reference. For the page reference content, I'm using page.account page. Account page is my Visualforce page. In the Visualforce page, I'm using standard controller is equal to account. So if I pass the ID, it will populate my account name, account number, and industry. In order to pass the account ID, I'm using get parameters dot put of ID comma acc.id. Here ID is my variable or the query parameter. So in order to get the account name, number, and industry, I have to pass the ID so that the standard controller will take care of populating the values. So I'm getting the content of the Visualforce page as PDF using get content as PDF. Next, in the attachment body, I'm setting it as email body. This is my variable where I'm declaring the data type as blob. And in order to attach this in the email, I'm using set file attachments of new messaging.email file attachment array. Inside that, I'm passing the obj attachment. So now when my account records are updated, it will call this queuable interface. In the queuable interface, it will use page reference and get the account page content. Since I'm using get parameters dot put of ID, the account record ID will be passed and its content will be fetched using get content as PDF and it will be attached to an email and finally it will be sent. So when the email is sent to this email address here, it will show the subject as PDF generation. In the body it will have please check the attachment, and it will have an attachment from the Visualforce page content. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Qubel interface, Visualforce page, and also the trigger code which we were discussing in this video. Thank you for watching.